Unleash your inner artist and transform your defense into a masterpiece by learning how to create your very own custom shields in Minecraft Bedrock. To begin crafting your personalized shield, you'll need a few essential items. First, procure a plain shield. You can craft this by combining 6 wooden planks of any type with 1 iron ingot at a crafting table. Next, gather an assortment of dyes. These are the building blocks of your shield's design. You can obtain dyes by mining colorful blocks like lapis lazuli for blue, cactus for green, poppies for red, and so on, or by crafting them from flowers and other natural resources. Now, let's head over to the Loom. This is where the magic happens. Place your plain shield into the first slot of the Loom interface. In the second slot, place your chosen dye. You'll immediately see a preview of how your shield will look with that specific color applied. But we can go further. The Loom also allows you to apply various banner patterns to your shield for even more intricate designs. Select a banner pattern from the available options, such as a stripe, a chevron, or a circle. After you've chosen your first color and pattern, you can combine it with another dye to create layered effects. Simply take another dye, place it into the second slot of the Loom, and choose a different banner pattern to apply. Continue this process, layering different dyes and banner patterns, until you've achieved the unique artwork you envision for your shield. Experiment with different combinations to unlock a vast array of possibilities. Once you're satisfied with your creation, simply click on the shield in the results slot, and voila! You've crafted a truly Oniofakin custom shield. Now go out there and defend your world in style, making every encounter a statement with your personalized shield.